So the mayor of Austin, Texas, is quite bullish towards crypto and is expected to implement blockchain technology across more than 20 different fields within his city. Lots going on here in the crypto sphere. It would appear continued bullish adoption during times of extreme fear. Be sure to stick around to the end to not miss any of what's going on. Drop a like on the video if you like the video. Really appreciate it. And be sure to subscribe as we try to keep these coming at you daily. Now, quickly recapping XRP, EngineeringRobo members already know. Utilizing the early bird and buy for Robo advisors throughout the end of July of 2021, our investment experienced 118% in upside, easily doubling your money with EngineeringRobo's bullish advisors here. And if you weren't able to sell at that swing high, utilizing the sell for and bearish cross Robo advisors, you were able to capitalize on 42% ROI in 55 days with EngineeringRobo. This bearish combination of Robo advisors here, the sell for and bearish cross throughout the end of November of 2021. If you chose to take profit at this level, you were saved from 48% in downside over the following months. So you lost just about half of your investment if you chose to hold XRP with bearish Robo advisors. Along the way down, we have interactions with the buy for and early bird. We are not accumulating at those levels because we need a combination of two Robo advisors becoming bullish to allow for comfortable accumulation. Moving forward, though, we do have that parameter met throughout the beginning of February here, the early bird on the 1st and the buy for on the 7th. We were able to put 50% of our investment into XRP when two of our chosen three Robo advisors became bullish. We put 20% of our investment in at my support level. You were able to, buy at 63 cents on the 23rd of February briefly there. That's where 20% of our investment went in. And that remaining 30% was invested at the 78-cent level when the daily candle opened and closed above the descending trend line. As we can see, based on Bitcoin's tantrum it's currently throwing here, it is no surprise that a move downward has occurred. If, daily candles open and close back below this descending trend line, we can reduce our position accordingly and then adjust the trend line and wait for bullish parameters to be met. We always go with the flow of the confirmations and watch out for EngineeringRobo. Currently, the sell for is present. However, we need two bearish Robo advisors to consider reducing our position based on that confirmation. So we're watching out for a second one to show up based on this sell for currently present. Watch out for resistance overhead. Say we were to recover, 94 cents and $1.22 are going to be levels you can take profit at. However, we always remain 50% invested until EngineeringRobo suggests otherwise. If we were to continue our way downward here toward my support level, let's say daily candles are opening and closing below 63 cents, we can anticipate resistance present and further interaction toward the next strongest level of support, 46 cents. So we are prepared for either direction here. Let me know down below your thoughts on XRP and crypto. So the mayor of Austin, Texas, has fully embraced the discovery of what blockchain technology and crypto payments can bring to his city, and he's proposing two new initiatives. The first aims to ensure that the city promotes the benefits of blockchain technology and promotes equity, diversity, accessibility, and inclusion in the technological ecosystem. The city manager has been directed to explore how the city can utilize Web3 and blockchain in a variety of fields, from smart contracts, supply chain management, and insurance to arts, media, fundraising, and identity verification. Under this initiative, the city manager should find ways to allow the acceptance of Bitcoin or other cryptocurrencies as payment for municipal taxes, fees, and penalties as the first set of policies to look into. So the City Council of Austin, Texas has been considering blockchain technological integrations since at least 2020, when a proposal was made to use smart contracts for the MyPass identity verification protocol. So yet another governing body here, bullish on crypto. Adoption is increasing. Further implementations are being searched for here, it would appear. It is mentioned that the city wants to implement blockchain across roughly 20 different fields here, and so increased use case is very bullish for Bitcoin and crypto, in my opinion. We have New York City, Miami, Los Angeles, and Colorado wishing to explore blockchain technology and implement Web3 technology as well. And, in my opinion, these are just several factors contributing to how difficult I find it to be bearish on Bitcoin. It's taking some very major factors here in the world going on to keep Bitcoin down and to keep fear in the market here. While major fear is shaking out short-term traders here, it would appear some rather significant entities in the traditional world of finance are heavily getting involved in Bitcoin one way or another. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and cryptocurrency currently. Find this article in the description. We have Ethereum. We have the buy 2, buy 4, and golden cross present, utilizing the buy 2 and buy 4 throughout the end of July of 2021. Your investment in Ethereum experienced 84% in upside, and utilizing bearish Robo advisors throughout the beginning of September, you were able to capitalize on 57% ROI in 45 days, utilizing EngineeringRobo trading Ethereum. With the buy 2 and buy 4 again throughout the beginning of October, your investment experienced 38% in upside, and with bearish Robo advisors, you were able to capitalize on just about 20% ROI in 42 days. With that combination of bearish Robo advisors here, the sell 2 and sell 4 from the middle of November, you were saved from a crippling 48% in downside that Ethereum proceeded to experience after those sell suggestions. So you were saved from losing just about half of your investment if you chose to close your position or take profit. So at the moment, we are awaiting for 2 of our chosen 3 Robo advisors to become bullish again to allow for 50% of our investment to be put into Ethereum. We need daily candles opening and closing above the descending trend line to put 30% of our investment into the coin. And we have already put that remaining 20% in at my support level. $2,320 per Ethereum has been a very bullish level of support here for us that we may interact with for a third and final time. And a interaction similar to the 24th of February or the 24th of January would be a rather significant indication of a bottom solidified. But we always go with the flow of the confirmations and wait for EngineeringRobo. Alrighty, Bitcoin, crypto, the currency currently under the influence of the buy 4 moon and golden cross, utilizing bullish Robo advisors throughout the end of July. Your investment experienced 49% in gains, and you were able to capitalize on 26% ROI with EngineeringRobo. Utilizing the buy 4 and moon yet again throughout the beginning of October, your investment experienced 24% in upside, and you were still able to close your position in profit utilizing the sell 4 and HE double hockey sticks that came into play throughout the middle of November there. From those bearish Robo advisors, you were able to take profit at the $56,809 level, and you were saved from the 42% in downside that Bitcoin proceeded to experience over the following months here, it would appear, all the way down toward my support level, which was waiting for us weeks before we got up to it. All of these instances where Bitcoin attempted to find a bottom, we were unfazed by these interactions here because we were waiting for further interaction toward the strongest level of support, and bearish Robo advisors were in play. Currently, we are hopefully approaching the end of this multi-month shakeout we've been experiencing from this initial bounce on the 24th of January. Price action has, proceeded to interact with the $45,000 level before returning to my support level here. It would appear printing a very bullish higher low. From that interaction on the 24th of February, we've interacted with the $45,000 level yet again, however, printing a lower high relative to that previous interaction. And so at the moment, we may be in search of our third interaction with my support level. That would not be impossible for us to, see that level again before we make our way upward here. We are under the influence of bullish Robo advisors still, even though that death cross has been confirmed with that March 14th daily candle. We need a second Robo advisor becoming bearish to consider reducing our investment accordingly. And so right now we just need daily candles opening and closing above this descending trend line to put that 30% of our investment into Bitcoin. We already put 50 when 2 of our chosen 3 robo advisors became bullish, and we already put 20% into Bitcoin at my support level. The fear and FOMO zones here from EngineeringRobo suggest a potential market top for Bitcoin near the $171,000 level. That is a price I do anticipate interaction with before any sort of top is to be discussed. In my opinion, I find it very difficult to be bearish on Bitcoin at these levels. We are far too close to the fear zone as well, and you want to be accumulating during times of extreme fear when the market is afraid of zero, and you want to be heavily considering taking profit when extreme euphoria is present and FOMO is plaguing the market here. Someone has to buy the top, hopefully not you, because you've been accumulating through the lows. But let me know down below your thoughts on Bitcoin and crypto. Have you been fully shaken out from this aggressive sideways, this probably year-long sideways market we've been experiencing? Or are you diamond hands, buy through the dips and accumulate through the lows? Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for hearing my analysis. Check out EngineeringRobo for free with the link in the description. Subscribe here on YouTube and tune in for the next one.